What if an artificial intelligence could plan your dream trip to Italy? Flights, hotels, food, even day trips, all in minutes. I tested it out, and what it pulled off blew my mind. But there was one part I didn't expect, and it nearly changed my trip completely. I started with the basics. Flights. AI compared Nashville to Naples versus Rome across multiple dates. It found the cheapest day to fly was October 15th, saving me a few $100s. Naples was closer, but Rome had better deals and more options. But which one did I choose? Hold on, because the ground transfer hack AI gave me was even more useful. From Naples, it's a 1-hour train. From Rome, AI showed me the high-speed train, just over an hour to Naples, then a local line to Sorrento. Simple, cheap, and way faster than I expected. Then AI built me a bucket list. In Rome, the Colosseum, Vatican museums, the Pantheon. In Sorrento, day trips to Pompeii, Capri, and limoncello tastings. In Positano, beaches, hikes, and cliffside dinners. And yes, it even gave me restaurant picks locals love. Roscioli in Rome, L'Antica Trattoria in Sorrento, Chez Black in Positano. Next, where to sleep. The artificial intelligence sorted mid-range to boutique hotels. Hotel Artemide in Rome, Grand Hotel Hermitage in Sorrento, and Casa Albertina in Positano. Plus, it flagged tips like city taxes of 4 to 7 euros a night and why you should pack light in Positano's stairs. So how did this happen? I didn't dig through 20 websites. ChatGPT, in agent mode, did it all. It browsed flights, checked official museum sites, built me docs with costs, maps, even filed them into my drive. I just said, plan my trip, and it ran like my personal travel agent. So, did artificial intelligence plan the perfect trip? Honestly, yes. I've never had my flights, hotels, and must-see lists this organized before setting foot in a country. If you're planning Italy in 2025, this could save you hours. If you want to see what else AI can do, hit subscribe. Because next, I'm letting the artificial intelligence decide something even bigger than my vacation.